Hello good people and welcome to Excel Hacks for Productivity. One trick, 2 minutes to learn hours saved every day. In this short video, we'll learn how to run sensitivity analysis using Excel data tables. So in this example, I have assumptions for a loan I'm considering. Principal of 25,000 given at a rate of 32% per annum, running for 48 months. On these assumptions, I want to calculate the equal monthly payment on this loan and proceed to vary the months and also vary the rates as you have it here, and then see the different results I will get with each combination of months and rates. The first thing we are going to do is to calculate the result based on the default assumptions. So if you are using this in any other case study, first thing is calculate the first result based on your default assumptions in the top left corner of the table. So I'll proceed. Equal monthly payment is calculated with Excel's PMT function. PMT function requires a rate. Rate is given here as 32%. Now because I'm going to compound monthly, I need to make the rate agree with the months. So I'm going to divide the rate by 12. N pair is the number of periods in the loan. This is given in months, so I'll select 48 months. PV is the principal, so I'll select 25,000. The rest of the arguments are optional. I can proceed with this, but you can enter 0 for future value payment, and depending on the type of payment arrangement, if you are paying at the end of the month, you put 0 for end of period payments and then 1 for beginning of period payments. So this is my equal monthly payment calculation. When you are using Excel functions, financial functions, I must say, this is a cash outflow, so you negate it. So my calculation here means I'm paying 929.46 every month on this loan. Now let's proceed to vary the rates. So starting at 28%, I'm going to increase 28% by 2% and then stretch it across these cells. So equal to 28% plus 2%. Then I press Ctrl Enter. I get these results here. I'm going to stretch the months as well. Starting at 12, I'll add 12 months to that. So I'm going to select the range of cells and then plus 12, Ctrl Enter. Now the final thing I'm going to do is I'm now going to select the entire table, including the calculated result, and then go to Data. Under Data, locate What If Analysis. We are using Data Table, so you click Data Table. It requires two things. Because you are varying two inputs, you need to specify where the row input cell is. So the row input cell is the one that is sitting in the row in your table. So the rate is sitting in row 10. So I'm going to select this rate, and then the other one is sitting in column A. So I'm going to select that as the column input. Now when you are done, you click OK, and then you get different results based on the different rates and months. And just to confirm, 32% and 48 months give us the 929.46. So please practice and add it to your list of Excel tricks. For more of these short videos, you can send ad to this WhatsApp number. We send videos directly to you on Mondays and Fridays. You can visit our YouTube channel, Excel Hacks for Productivity. All our old videos are here. Please subscribe for notification of new videos or give us a like on our Facebook page. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.